Canopy Accounting Tutorial. Running an accounting firm today means juggling far more than just numbers. Between tax deadlines, client communication, documentation collection, task assignments, and compliance, accountants are often caught in a cycle of endless emails and spreadsheets. This lack of organization doesn't just create stress, it can slow down productivity and weaken client relationships. That's exactly why tools like Canopy Accounting have grown in popularity. Canopy is an all-in-one practice management and client engagement platform built specifically for accountants and tax professionals. Instead of piecing together multiple apps, Canopy centralizes everything from client requests to document management to task tracking into a single streamlined system. The real strength of Canopy is that it goes beyond workflow management. It creates a client-first experience by providing accountants with tools to communicate, request information, and collaborate securely, all while giving firm leaders the visibility they need to manage deadline and performance. In this video, we'll break down Canopy's most powerful features, explore their benefits, and explain why it's one of the best solutions for accountants looking to modernize their practice and deliver an excellent client experience. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized client management. With Canopy, all client information, such as contacts, notes, files, tasks, and communication, lives in one place. Each client has a profile that shows their history, deadlines, and ongoing projects. This eliminates scattered records and makes it easy to find everything you need for a client in seconds. Whether it's pulling up a tax return, tracking open requests, or reviewing past conversations, accountants get a complete view in one screen. Another key feature is the task and workflow automation. Canopy allows firms to create workflows for recurring jobs like tax returns, payroll, and bookkeeping. Tasks can be assigned to team members, given due dates, and set up with automated reminders. Workflows can be reused and customized for different clients. Standardizing these processes ensures consistency across the firm, reduces errors, and saves time. Staff can focus on high-value tasks instead of repeating manual setup for every new engagement. Another key feature is the document management and e-signatures. One of Canopy's strongest features is its built-in document management. Accountants can securely share files, request uploads, and manage signatures directly inside the platform. Clients can send documents with just a few clicks, and everything is stored in an organized digital folder. This reduces the endless back and forth over email and eliminates the risk of losing critical documents. It also improves the client experience by making it easy for them to upload and sign from anywhere. Another key feature is the secure client portal. Canopy includes a modern client portal where clients can log in to view tasks, upload files, sign documents, and communicate securely with their accountant. The portal is accessible via desktop or mobile app. This not only boosts client satisfaction, but also enhances data security. Clients know exactly where to go for updates, and firms no longer need to worry about sensitive documents being sent over insecure email. Another key feature is the integrated communication tools. Emails, text messages, and reminders can be managed directly within Canopy. The system links communication to client records so that every interaction is logged and easy to track. Firms can also send bulk messages for reminders during tax season. By centralizing communication, firms reduce the chance of missed follow ups. It also helps teams stay on the same page when multiple staff members are handling client work. So, why is Canopy a great choice? Canopy stands out because it's designed specifically for accountants. While many firms try to adapt generic project management tools, Canopy understands the tax and accounting workflow from start to finish. From document requests to task automation, it's tailored to the daily challenges accounting professionals face. In 2025, firms are under more pressure than ever to deliver fast, efficient, and secure client service. Canopy meets this demand by combining productivity tools with client engagement features, giving firms the best of both worlds. It's especially valuable for small to mid-sized firms that want to modernize operations without investing in complicated enterprise systems. Another strength of Canopy is scalability. Whether you're a solo practitioner or managing a growing firm, Canopy can adapt to your needs. Its modular structure means you can start with core features like task management and add advanced tools such as client portals or document management as you grow. So basically, Canopy Accounting is more than just a practice management software. It's a complete platform designed to help accounting firms organize workflows, improve client communication, and deliver better results with less stress. It empowers accountants to stay organized, meet every deadline, and deliver a professional client experience that sets them apart in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.